Hey LinkedIn friends, I'm John Consoli, Vice President of Sales for Legrand Cabinets and Containment. Our thought is to put a video series out to start some dialogue in the data center community and talk about trends that we see in a rapidly changing and rapidly evolving market that we serve in. And I just want to tell you a little bit about Legrand Cabinets and Containment, what we do, cabinets and containment, but what makes us different. What makes Legrand Cabinets and Containment different from other cabinet companies is we're not a cabinet company. We're an $8 billion global organization. Here in North America, and the division that I work with has manufacturing facilities on both the East Coast and the West Coast, and we're interacting with literally thousands of data center designers, planners, builders, and the people that work in the data centers on a daily basis. What we wanted to do here was share some of the things that we've been seeing in the marketplace, but more importantly, to start a dialogue. So please feel free, make your comments, come back if there's any particular things that you agree or disagree with, or maybe you have something to add to the sauce. We certainly invite you to do that. We're going to start this series on a weekly basis, and based upon a response, we may be doing it daily, hourly, monthly, or you may never see me again. So chime in, let us know what you're interested in. So we hope you enjoy it, we hope it works for you, and look forward to your participation. Thanks very much.